Question words. Quiz. Choose the correct question word. Who, what, when, where, why, which, whose, or how. Are you going?
To the supermarket.
Are you going?
To the supermarket.
Where are you going?
To the supermarket.
2. Are you going to buy?
Bread, milk, and bananas.
Are you going to buy?
Bread, milk, and bananas.
What are you going to buy?
Bread, milk, and bananas.
3. Did you go to work today?
At 9 o'clock.
Did you go to work today?
At 9 o'clock.
When did you go to work today?
At 9 o'clock.
4. Is your boss?
Mr. Jones is.
Is your boss?
Mr. Jones is.
Who is your boss?
Mr. Jones is.
5. Are you angry?
Someone stole my bag.
Are you angry?
Someone stole my bag.
Why are you angry?
Someone stole my bag.
6. Cake would you like?
The strawberry one.
Cake would you like?
The strawberry one.
Which cake would you like?
The strawberry one.
7. Hat is that?
It's my hat.
Hat is that?
It's my hat.
Whose hat is that?
It's my hat.
8. Did you get to the mall?
By bus.
Did you get to the mall?
By bus.
How did you get to the mall?
By bus.
9. Are you going to the doctor?
Because I feel dizzy.
Are you going to the doctor?
Because I feel dizzy.
Why are you going to the doctor?
Because I feel dizzy.
10. Do you want tea or coffee?
Tea, please.
Do you want tea or coffee?
Tea, please.
Which do you want, tea or coffee?
Tea, please.
Do you go to bed?
Around 11:30 p.m.
Do you go to bed?
Around 11:30 p.m.
When do you go to bed?
Around 11:30 p.m.
12. School bag is this.
It's Sarah's school bag.
school bag is this?
It's Sarah's school bag.
Whose school bag is this?
It's Sarah's school bag.
13. Are you today?
I'm tired. I worked hard.
Are you today?
I'm tired. I worked hard.
How are you today?
I'm tired. I worked hard.
14. Day is it today?
It's Saturday.
Day is it today?
It's Saturday.
What day is it today?
It's Saturday.
15. Is your birthday?
My birthday is April 20th.
Is your birthday?
My birthday is April 20th.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is April 20th.
16. Is your house?
The one with the green roof.
Is your house?
The one with the green roof.
Which is your house?
The one with the green roof.
17. Is the cat?
It's asleep on the bed.
Is the cat?
It's asleep on the bed.
Where is the cat?
It's asleep on the bed.
18. Do you study English?
I want to go to America.
Do you study English?
I want to go to America.
Why do you study English?
I want to go to America.
19. Do you study English?
On Tuesdays.
Do you study English?
On Tuesdays.
When do you study English?
On Tuesdays.
20. Do you do on Saturdays?
I play tennis.
Do you do on Saturdays?
I play tennis.
What do you do on Saturdays?
I play tennis.